All right, for anyone who's having difficulty getting the file to download, you're going to tap on the link that I provided. Okay, so you can tell here I'm still within Facebook. I need to tap over here and open an external browser. Once you do that, it'll do this. You'll tap download. Download. Now see up at the top, I'm in a Safari browser. It'll show up in my downloads. It'll go to your Apple files. And then from there, you're going to tap on it, and you should see something like this show up here in the TouchChat with WordPower app. This is a WordPower file, so if you don't have WordPower, it's not going to be usable. I'm going to tap yes. I'm going to put some extra stuff here so I know what I'm going to delete because I don't want to have extra copies in here. But I'm going to tap save. Okay, so see now I'll be able to tap there and open it up. For those asking about the early literacy books, I imported those from WordPower 60 Basic. And there's several
I went
different
walking.
book pages in here. So I hope this helps.